Alright YouTube, today I'm going to just show you a little fix that I used, a friend and I figured out to keep this gas door shut on the C6s. Whenever this little pin out here, right here, doesn't come out all the way, there's a problem with your actuator. And the actuator is back in your trunk. It's back in your trunk right behind the emergency release for your door. It's this little piece right here. So what we did is we grabbed rubber bands, a paper clip, and some electrical tape. And we just, so what happens is the reason the pin doesn't come out is because this isn't pushed back all the way and it gets stuck back here. So we just used a rubber band around that and we taped to the little wire right here so it have a little bit of resistance to pull back. That way you can keep the door closed and it's not sticking open while you're driving down the road. So see, the pin's out, it works. Come over here, press your little button, and it still works. So, well, that was a quick fix on your gas door.